Hello everyone, I am Dr. G. Radhika, Head of the Department of MBA, St. Anne's College for Women, Gorentla, Guntur. Today's topic is mentoring and coaching skills, an important human resource management concept that helps develop future leaders and successful managers. Let's get started. In today's competitive business world, managers need more than technical knowledge. They must guide people, motivate teams, and improve performance. This is where mentoring and coaching play a vital role. They help employees and students develop professionally and personally. Mentoring is a long term developmental relationship where an experienced person known as a mentor guides and supports a less experienced person called a mentee. A mentor shares knowledge, experience, career advice, and motivation. The main objective is to develop confidence, leadership abilities, and overall career growth. For example, a senior manager guiding a newly recruited employee over several years is mentoring. A successful mentor possesses several important skills. These include active listening, effective communication, empathy, leadership, motivation, goal setting, problem solving, and constructive feedback. These qualities help build trust and encourage continuous learning. Mentoring has many benefits. It builds confidence and helps people believe in themselves. It improves communication skills and helps them speak clearly. It develops leadership and helps them become good leaders. It also improves decision making by giving the right guidance. Mentoring supports career growth and encourages people keep learning throughout their lives. In simple words, mentoring helps people learn, grow, and succeed in their careers. What is coaching? Unlike mentoring, coaching focuses on improving specific skills and achieving measurable goals within a short period. A coach observes performance, provides feedback, motivates individuals, and helps them achieve better results. For example, a sales manager training employees to improve monthly sales performance is coaching. An effective coach helps individuals set clear goals, observes performance carefully, motivates employees, asks meaningful questions, provides constructive feedback, and continuously evaluate progress. These skills improve both productivity and confidence. Coaching has many benefits. It helps people improve their work performance and learn new skills. It builds confidence so they can do their work better. Coaching also increases productivity by helping people work more effectively. It develops leadership skills and prepares them for future responsibilities. Another benefit is that it encourages continuous learning and helps people keep improving. Finally, coaching builds accountability so people take responsibility for their work and goals. In simple words, coaching helps people learn, perform better, and achieve success. Now, let us understand the difference between mentoring and coaching. Mentoring is a long term process while coaching is a short term process. Mentoring focuses on overall personal and career development, whereas coaching focuses on improving a specific skill or performance. A mentor shares knowledge and experience, while a coach helps people improve through practice and feedback. Mentoring helps build a successful career, whereas coaching helps achieve a specific goal. Finally, mentoring is relationship oriented because it builds a long term connection, while coaching is result oriented because it focuses on achieving better performance. In simple words, mentoring helps people grow in life and career, while coaching helps them perform better and achieve their goals. For MBA students, mentoring and coaching builds leadership qualities, improve communication skills, strengthen decision making abilities, and develop teamwork. They also increase emotional intelligence and prepare students for interviews, placements, and managerial responsibilities. Mentoring builds people, coaching improves performance. When these two approaches are combined, they create confident professionals, ethical leaders, and successful managers who contribute to organizational growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.